In this video, I'm going to show you how you can submit an appeal on Twitch. So in one way or another, if your account on Twitch has been restricted and you wish to make an appeal, then follow these steps to do so. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you are able to log into your current Twitch account, then the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon here. And you should see we have an option here for appeal portal. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll be taken to this appeal.twitch.tv. However, if you are unable to log into your Twitch account, then just go straight to appeal.twitch.tv and you'll be taken to this official appeal portal. Here you need to go ahead and log into your account to view enforcements and submit an appeal. So I'll go ahead and log in using my username and password. So if I log in, now here I'll be taken to the official appeal page. Here you can find or see all your previous appeals or appeal history. And should you have any community guidelines enforcement upon your channel, then you'll see it with it. And if you click on it, you'll be able to make your appeal. Go ahead and write to them and then submit your appeal. For my case, I don't have any infringement and therefore my account is okay. It doesn't have any violation. So that's how you can appeal on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.